What again? Coming to you live from the grounds of the National Legislature. Viewers, let me say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Wherever you are located and watching our live broadcast, welcome to Hot FM 107.9. We thought to do this short broadcast this morning because today is Tuesday and not Tuesday, but today is Thursday, February 20th, and it is session day here at the National Legislature. And so, as you may be aware, the impasse here up Capitol Hill, particularly from the House of Representatives, still continue, where we have two separate groups, the majority bloc and the minority bloc, that is headed by Embattled House Speaker Councillor Jonathan Fonantikofa, while the majority bloc is headed by the majority speaker Richie Namwekon. And so sometimes last week, the Rule of Law Caucus, which of course the Embattled Speaker is part of, had a press briefing and told journalists that they will conduct separate session until what they describe as the right thing is done here at the House of Representatives. So last week, Tuesday, the members of the minority bloc, led by the Embattled House Speaker, Councillor Jonathan Fonantikofa, were here and they had a separate session. And so today again, this morning, they have started to arrive. The Embattled Speaker is already here. He has come with other members, including Bon County District Number 3 Representative Josiah Marvin Cole. And of course, we also saw Grand Judah County District Number 3 Representative Jacob DB, and a host of other lawmakers. Monsoro County District 14 Representative Muka Kamara is also here along with the Embattled Speaker. But the first person to arrive on this ground, I think, possibly is Monsoro County District Number 16 Representative Dixon Wolawi-Sibo, who yesterday went at the headquarters of the Liberian National Police for investigation in relation to the alleged arson attack on the Capitol. So, folks, we are still here. As things are right now, members of the House of Representatives from both sides have started to arrive, as we are seeing from the distance. Margibi County District Number 2 Representative Ava Jones and Grand Bassa County District 2 Representative Clement T. Benz. And also, we are also seeing Isaac Bani from Grand Bassa to District Number 1. Okay, so we are sorry that we had a break in our broadcast that was due to some information that we were getting that some members of the majority bloc, precisely Monsoro County District number 8 representative Prince Tor, along with other members of the minority bloc, are currently seated in the conference room of the House of Representatives, where it is expected that the minority bloc that is headed by the Imparto House Speaker, Councillor Kofa, will be having their separate session. We don't know their intent for sitting in there, but probably maybe it is due to the decision that they should be prevented from having a separate session in there. So currently, as we are told, the two lawmakers are seated in the conference room of the House of Representatives, where it is expected that members of the minority bloc or the rule of law caucus should be having their separate session. So folks, again, let me remind you that this is Hot FM 107.9, and we are coming to you live from the grounds of the Capitol, where today is Thursday, and it's a session day here on Capitol Hill by both houses, the Liberian Senate and the House of Representatives. So we are seeing two Grand Bassa County lawmakers, District 2 and District number 1 representatives, County Banks and Azebani. They are here having a short conversation. And a couple of staffs are also here. So a couple of staff are also here, folks. So again, let me say thanks for watching. Thanks for inviting somebody to watch along with you. Also share our live feed as we bring you happenings from here at the National Legislature. So it's quite an interesting day again. It's Tuesday, which is not Tuesday, I beg your pardon, but Thursday, which of course it is session day for members of the 55th National Legislature, both the Liberian Senate and the House of Representatives. So again, let me remind you about an information that I earlier got about what is going on in the conference room of the House of Representatives, where the minority bloc or the rule of law caucus are expected to have their session. But we are hearing that two members of the majority bloc are seated in there, particularly Monsoro County District number 8 representative Prince Tor, and another lawmaker whose name is yet to be getting. So we are here. We don't know the intent for which they are seated in there, but members of the minority bloc are expected to conduct their session in there. So folks, thanks for watching. And of course, we are still here on the grounds of the National Legislature. My name is Ronald George, reporting to you for Hot FM 107.9.